They just ran up and just shot Lil' Homie. Goddamn, say it's not Lil' Homie. God damn it.
It's grilled. I put the speaker that way so it sounds so loud. Yeah.
And that's it, my phone died.
Plug it in. Huh.
You see the black one? Oh shit, I almost got that.
Okay.
I almost got that.
No, I like it. Got this in the background and the two in this first.
Mr. Hollywood. Mr. Hollywood.
I don't think his purse is in the background. We'll put that in the bloopers.
Hey, nigga, I was watching Mike Epson and nigga. All these tokens,
We'll restart it if you want.
Bitch, I'm that flow pro. Came down up in this bitch fucking with me. That's a no-no. I said that and I meant it. Hold up, bitch, I ain't kidding. You see the whips I'm whipping. Stepping on the ass, yeah, children. Yeah, you know I come through in the laid back with the Humvee. You know I'm swinging down candy and I might be wearing some Gumby. Said, hold up, man, these bitches love me. Yeah, and I just was showed up. Got the drink and I pull up. Now where's the weed, where's the doja? A soldier, I'm staying. Say times where I'm hanging. She on the knees, she ain't praying. Yeah, she bow down. I can tell you I can wreck it. I hold down for my town. Hold it down for the north side. Hold it down, bitch, worldwide. Let you know we come through. We text, make a girl get wet. What's next? In the bed, we having sex. Hold up, man, yeah, she's impressed. I break her off cause I am a boss. From the south, man, to the north. I came down, man, I smoked the weed, so I sip the drink, so I might not cough. I came down and I'm steady blunting. Getting money, bitch, I'm stacking hundreds. Hold up, man, you can't fuck with me. I put a shot up in your stomach. Hold up, man, I'ma wreck the leg, cause you know I'm fucked up on the bum sack. I said, hold up, I came down. Hold up, bitch, man, I'm out to say town. It's for grillz. Came down in this bitch, I got to keep it real. Money on my mind, that's how I'm living, bitch, that's how I feel. Always gotta speed it, cause you know I gotta keep it real. Done it since a young and now I'm older and I grip the wheel. Lay you back in that Cadillac. Now I'm in the Grand Marquis. Came down up in this bitch. Everybody gon' see me. Fresh out of that TDC. Not even 6 months and I'm going back and say fucking hoes. Cause around here, bitch, I'm gon' punch. I break jaws and I break nose. I break flows and I take hoes. Straight to the back, take off the clothes. Because around here, I got them foes. Yeah, bimbos, they on my dick. I came through and I take a hit. Up off the blunt, now you know I'm lit. I'm high to sky, man, talking shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, go.
Right.
Nah, not just the middle.
There you go.
Gotta get some rhymes. Gotta go score.
Go, baby. You want to see it?